In 2014, 0725.
For 2014, May 25 zikaqala.
What is the description of that vehicle?
Okay, let me quickly check it for you, my lord.
Uhlobo yini yemoto uthi ithi ngiyibheke.
It's a minibus, my lord.
Imoto ebekade ibhaliswa uthi i-minibus.
And what was its registration number?
The previous registration number is NKU.
Sorry?
There are three number plates. So I'm going to give you the pre before the other one, because the number plate change from time to time when it move across the province, depending on whoever buys it. So I'm going to give you the previous one. It says NKU 2652.
Uthi ke i-number plate iyaguquka imoto uma ibile ihamba ishintsha ama-province. I-number plate yokuqala kwakade ku-NKU 2652.
Another one is NMA 3689.
Elandelayo uthi kwakade ku-NMA 3689.
The current number plate is NV12294. NV12294.
Uthi eyamanje i-number plate NV12294.
Are there any vehicles that are registered under Nongoma? Registering authority?
Let me quickly check so that I can be able to give you an accurate answer.
Zikhona imoto ekuthi zazibhaliswe kwaNongoma uthi ithi ngibheke ngizokwazi ukukunika impendulo efanele.
There's no vehicle that is registered in Nongoma, my lord.
Nkosi yenkantolo ayikho imoto ebhaliswe ngaphansi kwaseNongoma.
My lord, I see that the accused hands is up. May I approach the accused?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, my lord, for the court's indulgence. Superintendent, you testified that the previous registration dates for the minibus is that the minibus Kumbi?
It's a motor vehicle designed and adapted for the conveyance of more than 9 persons, but not more than 16, including the driver.
Manje la imoto okukhuluma ngayo ikhumbi na uthi imoto ekuthiwa ingafaka abantu abayishaka nolunye kodwa bangadluli ishume nesithupha kuhlanganise nomshayeli.
I'm instructed by the accused superintendent that he will dispute the previous registration numbers that you referred to, the NKU, NMA, and NV.
My lord, the number plate, for even if they change, the record will still be kept on the system.
Uthi ke Umsolwa yena uzophika lama number plate awukhulume ngawo. Uthi nanoma ama number plate angaguquka kodwa kwi system ahlala anjalo.
My own understanding, does your client say that these number plates, as you call them number plates, registration plates, they don't exist? Or what does he say?
He's saying that
He say he'll dispute them.
He is saying that when he bought the minibus Kumbi, it was a GP registration plate, and it was registered and changed to NND.
Yeah, okay. So
Yes.
he's got the number plates.
He cannot recall the full number plates.
Wait. So you say it was previously registered in Gauteng?
Yes, in Gauteng.
Because it's provincial. You can fish it. Is that not so?
If I can be provided with the number plate, it
Yeah,
will
that's
still
it,
be
you'll
linked
fish
with the
it.
vehicle. That's why I'm saying you can change the number plate for 10 times as you like.
Yeah.
You can move across whatever, depending on where you stay.
Uthi ke I number plate wena kuya ngokuthi uhlalaphi. Ungawashintsha ama number plate ukuze kufike kweyogcina kodwa kuya ngokuthi uhlalaphi. Uyakwazi ukuthi angawahlola uma ingathola I number plate le ekukhulunywa ngayo eyaye GP yena angakwazi ukuthi ayisho ukuthi ngempela injalo noma cha.
The change of address, superintendent, does it say who made that application for the change of address?
On the system, when you check, it tells you that the ID number of the applicant, which in this case would be the accused, transacted by changing of address. But in order for you to check, you also need to check the source document, which is kept in the office at Nongoma.
Manje ke ukuguqulwa kwaleli kheli kuyasho na ukuthi ubani obekade eguqula lelo kheli uthi lapha kwisystem kuyabonakala ukuthi ikheli laguqulwa manje kuzofuneka leliya form ekuthi likwanongoma eoffice.
So the system that you are having at present, or the documents that you are having at present, does not say who changed or made that application for the change of address.
It indicates the official who effected the change. Hence, I'm saying, in this case, when I check the system from the analyst perspective, it tells me that the accused made an application for change of address. But to verify that, I also need to go to Nengoma and request a source document, because anything that we captured on the system, there must be a supporting document.
Manje ke wena uthini uthi la kuwena akubonakalisa ukuthi ubani umuntu oye wafaka leso sicelo uthi ukuya ngalama system kubonisa ukuthi Umsolwa uyena oye wayenza leso sicelo sokuguqula ikheli lakhe kodwa kuzawufanele ukuthi uma engabe kudingeka kuzawufanele ukuthi aye kwanongoma ayothola iform ifile lakhe Umsolwa ukuze azokwazi ukubona ukuthi ubani umuntu oye wafaka leso sicelo.
The accused instructs me that on the 13th of February 2015, he was not at Kwanongoma.
My Lord, on the system, it indicates that there was even a payment that was made for a ticket in Nongom, meaning that the sole purpose of changing that address was to pay the ticket that was linked to the accused.
Uthi ke futhi ummeli uthi Umsolwa yena uthi nge-13 zika February wayekade engekho kwanongoma ngo-2014. Uthi ke superintendent la kubonakala ukuthi wayekade lo muntu eyokhokha ithikithi ebelikade anikwe lona ingakho egcine sekaguqula nekheli lakhe.
The traffic fine.
That is correct, my Lord.
He went to Wanongoma to pay for the traffic fine.
The system indicates that the traffic fine was paid in Ngoma under the ID number and the names of the accused.
Bekade aya kwanongoma yokhokha ithikithi uthi isystem ibonisa njalo ukuthi wayekade yokhokha ithikithi kwanongoma.
This payment of a ticket, was it made on the 13th of February 2015?
The payment, let me just populate it on the system. Notice of fees payment. You see, the notice of payment was made on the 9th of November 2017.
Uthi ke ithingi ibonisa lapha ona ukuthi uthi kuyabonakala ukuthi ukhokhwe nge-9 November 2017.
It was in respect of which transaction?
Pardon?
For which transaction?
For which I don't understand, my Lord.
It was a traffic fine for which offense?
Okay, let me check it so that. But remember, at some point in time, I indicated with the receipt. Let me quickly check that receipt where we were confirming the cell number, because in that receipt it shows Nongoma payment of where the ticket was paid says Nongoma. Let me quickly check the annexure.
Bakade kwethi icala lapho la bekade eyokhokha la ayokhokhela uthi ithi ngilibheke lana sizokhumbula besikhuluma ngereceipt ebeyikade ibuya kwanongoma.
May I quickly check on the system, my lord, because on the annex I don't see anything, so that I can give an accurate information.
Ngicela ukubheka kwi-system ize ngikwazi ukukunika impendulo efanele ngoba la kulamaphepha angiboni lutho.
Mr. Ngumalo, your client on the 9th of November 2017, do you know where he was? Because I thought we were dealing with, as Mr. Nisi said, an offense which happened on the 16th of October 2014. Now we are busy with 2017.
Yes, I'm about to wrap up.
It's in pursuance of what? I just want to understand.
I'm about to wrap up.
Maybe you're a magician.
No, I'm not.
My lord, the ticket or the infringement notice is in relation with the motor vehicle with the license number KKY511GP.
Kuthiwa ke itikiti kwakade kwemoto uKKY 511 GP.
What is the date of the infringement?
The date of infringement. Okay, let me quickly open it while I'm still here, my lord. The date of infringement is on the 1st December 2014.
Ayekade linikwe nini lelo ticket uthi ngeyi-1 zika December 2014.
And what is the offense?
Park a vehicle where the parking constitute a danger or an obstruction to other traffic or was likely to constitute a danger or obstruction to other traffic.
Isizathu sokunikwa lelo ticket kwakade kuwukuthi Umsolwa wayekade epake imoto la bekade efaka abanye abantu engozini.
I'm instructed by the accused that he was not in Nongom on the 13th of February 2015, as I've alluded to. He was in detention, having been arrested on the 27th of November 2014. He was arrested on the 27th of November 2014 and detained at Boksburg prison. And he has been in custody ever since.
Okay, my lord, if I remember or I recall correctly, at some point in time, the accused purchased a green Audi in a GP Street. Usually when you purchase is it GP Street or not necessarily GP Street, if I can go to the evidence so that I can give an accurate information, my lord.
No,
but I now I recall where you stated now.
No, Superintendent, please don't miss issues. Just answer this one.
Okay.
The question that I've put to you.
Okay.
Then you can answer otherwise,
Okay.
if you want to. The instruction that I'm having from the accused is that he was arrested on the 27th of November
Yes.
2014.
Yes.
He was kept in custody.
Yes.
He was detained at Boksburg prison. In essence, what I'm putting to you is that the accused was not at Nongoma on the 13th of February 2015.
Then that automatically institute an inquiry to substantiate as to who the person who changed the address in Nongo.
Uthi ke ummeli Umsolwa umtshela ukuthi yena wayekade engekho kwaNongoma ngoFebruary 2014, wayekade ephakathi ejele eBoksburg la ukuthi uboshwe kusukela nge-27 zika November 2014. Uthi ke lokho kuzawufanele ukuthi ke kuphenywe kwazi kuze kutholakale ulwazi lokuthi ubani oye wayoguqula ikheli likaMsolwa ngo-2014 kwaNongoma.
Further, he has been in custody ever since. That will include the dates of the 1st of December 2014 and the 9th of November 2017.
My Lord, the 1st of December 2014, this infringement notice is in relation with an unattended vehicle, not necessarily that he was issued in person. It's an unattended motor vehicle.
Uthi-ke itikiti leli lango-December akusukuthi Umsolwa uye wanikwa esandleni kwakade imoto ipakwe lapho kungenamuntu kuleyo moto iye yabekwa-ke itikiti kuleyo moto.
Is it correct, Superintendent, that you told the court that there is no, in this document, when the application for the change of address, there is no provision as to the number starting with 078 that was provided?
My Lord, when I check on my system, it does not reflect, but if I have to obtain a source document, it will indicate.
Akukho la kubhalwe ukuthi ubani umuntu ophani ngaleyo number le ebekade uyivezile yaka 078 uthi la kwi-system alikho igama lalowo muntu kodwa uma ngingathola iform leliyana ebekade kubhaliswa ngalo ngingakwazi ukusho ukuthi ubani.
Is it also correct, Superintendent, that you don't have any other source of information as proof that the number belongs to the accused, the 078 number,
My Lord, I've already
such as the 205 records
My Lord,
from the service
my Lord,
provider?
My Lord, I've already indicated that the information that is on notice is furnished by the motorist or the applicant who approached the appropriate graded driving license testing center.
Iqiniso ukuthi wena awunabo obunye ubufakazi obungasho ukuthi ngempela le nombolo yakhe Umsolwa wesine obufana mhlawumbe namasaphina aye wakhishwa ukuthi kunikwazana ngobufakazi obunjalo baleyo nombolo leyo. Uthi mina Nkosi yenkantolo ngisaphinda ukuthi izinto ezila kwi-system izinto ukuthi sizithole kuMsolwa ngalesikhathi eze kwi-department ezoguqula mhlawumbe inombolo noma ezofaka isicelo sanoma yini lebekade azoyenza e-department.
With regards to the date, Superintendent, the 13th of February 2015, is it possible that another person will approach the Nongoma registering authority to change the address?
It has to be done by the person who changed the address, my Lord. That's why hence I'm saying we need to institute inquiry as to what transpired.
Manje kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe kunomunye umuntu oye waya ayoguqula ikheli laphayana uthi lokho kwamele kwenziwe umuntu lo bekanikalana ngekheli la ukuthi kwamele kuyophenywa ukuthi ubani lo muntu lo.
But clearly it was not the accused, as I'm saying, that he was in custody on the 13th of February 2015.
Hence I'm saying, my Lord, it warrants further investigation.
Kodwa kuyabonakalisa ukuthi akusuMsolwa obekade eyenze leso sicelo uthi ingakho ngithi lokho kudinga ukuthi kuyophenywa.
I'm further instructed by the accused that the number 078-343-6233 does not belong to him. He has not used this number in his lifetime.
My Lord, that is his version.
Uthi ummeli uthi wena Msolwa uthi le nombolo akusiyona inombolo yakho lebekade ephele ngayo uthi yena kwimpendulo yakhe yilento uMsolwa ayisho.
Sorry, that number again is 078
078-343-6233.
6233. What is this number? An ID number?
It's a cell phone number.
Oh, I see.
I'm instructed by the accused that the cell phone number 078-343-6233 does not belong to him. He has not used this number in his lifetime. I'm further instructed by the accused in this aspect that the number belongs to Tabanim Dad. The number ending 233 the 078 number.
My Lord, I've already indicated that when you approach the appropriate graded driving license testing center, you are given a form whereby you are expected to complete your personal particulars. And there's also a block where you need to acknowledge that, to realize that furnishing a false information amounts to a fine or 1 year imprisonment or both.
Manje ke uthi ummeli Umsolwa wesine uthi inombolo le u0783436233 akusiyona inombolo yakho wena uthi yakathabani mdladla awukaze wena wayisebenzisa. Uthi ke usuperintendent umuntu uma eza laphayana kwamele aphane ngemininingwana eyakhe. Umuntu futhi kuleli form aligcwalisayo uyatshelwa nokuthi uma engaphani ngemininingwane ekuyiyona, lo muntu loyo angahle anikwe isigwebo sefayini noma isigwebo sokuthi ayohlala ejele noma akhokhe ifine bese uyohlala nasejele.
My Lord, may I approach the accused and
Yes, yes,
ascertain
yes,
if
yes.
there's any further questions? Thank you. Thank you, my Lord, for the court's indulgence.